over this high.
Ich hab's drauf.
To neću reći. Lepo prosto.
Pa kaj si sam dober, veš, da ne smeš.
Ja, ne prvi se vodim.
Prepoved. Samo poligon pri vrniku, pa nič več. Kaj je drugega? Ne moš firme tukaj voziti.
Ja, sej ne bom več.
Kaj ne boš več?
Lej.
Što?
Bom nešel,
Why are you doing that? I'm going to say, because no one said I couldn't. Right?
It's a house, though.
Dude,
It's completely different.
this is a guy's fire. You look at, listen, we got two ways of handling this, okay? You guys can either, if you, wait a second, let's go to your parents. Where do you live? Give me your address.
No.
No! Dude, I'm going to find you guys, and I'm going to go talk to your parents.
We don't know your address.
Yeah? You're on my property here.
That's your property. This isn't your
The
property.
Lemke's don't get, this is a farmer's property. He
No,
rents
get
it.
off.
The farmer, this isn't farmland though.
Dude.
Is there crops here?
Dude, you don't understand.
Dude.
No, I'm going to follow you guys to your house. I'm going to talk to your parents. You have no respect.
Talk to my mom.
I'm going to go talk to her.
All right.
So, but you won't tell me who you are.
Dude, I don't need to tell you
told us to
shit.
get off. We would have got off if you told us to get
Yeah,
off.
we would have. You had to start a problem.
Tell us to get off and we'll get off.
I'm asking you guys, listen to me.
Read it.
Problem, if you ride your bike around the edge of the crop, when you're back here terrorizing shit, people have a problem.
Fuck you.
What'd you say?
Owen.
Yeah.
Owen,
Asshole.
dude.
I'm going to your house, and I'm going to talk to your parents. And then you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bring a bulldozer in your front yard and drive around, and when your parents say anything, I'm going to talk just like you do to them. I don't have a problem with you riding your motorcycle around the outside. I don't have a problem with it.
Like around here?
Like around the edge.
Then why didn't you just tell us
Shut
that?
up! You're a piss pot. So you know what? And when I was your age, if I would have talked to the farmer like you did, he would have beat the shit out of me. Just remember that. You're just a piss pot. Tell me you're not.
Dude,
Dude.
I'm gonna sit here and tell you I'm a piss pot?
You're a piss pot. You shouldn't be lipping to me. And I will go and see your parents. And then if you keep, and then I will bring the sheriff.
I'm not telling you where I live.
You don't understand? I'm gonna find you.
I don't know where you live.
He lives right there.
Oh, really? Wow, now I know.
Gentlemen, I'm asking you nice. Don't terrorize the property. Stay on the edges.
All right, we understand
right?
that. But like
He's on the farmer's crop.
he's riding around the edges right now.
Because he's an idiot. He ran away. I don't know why he ran away.
He's on the hayfield.
Yeah. All right.
Wait, which edge are you talking about? This edge or that?
Look at that. He cultivates that and feeds his cows.
Yeah.
This right here.
Where he's on, yeah.
This is weeds.
Plants right there.
It's not weeds, it's hay. He bought that and paid for it. Didn't you ever see those bales that they carry? That's where they come from. Along here, if you guys want to carefully and calmly ride your motorcycle along the edge, no one's going to say stuff.
Right.
Remember, you think I wasn't young? You think I didn't have a motorcycle? You think I didn't terrorize the neighborhood when I was your age? I never was lippy like you.
I'm not on a dirt bike.
I didn't say you're on a dirt bike.
I wouldn't have got lippy if you just said.
Dude, I don't have to say. You just have a little respect. What I'm telling you guys is, no one's going to have a problem if you ride your bikes on the outside of the property and stay out of the middle. I'm going to seed that tomorrow, and I'd appreciate if you didn't go on it after I seeded it, so it's going to turn to lawn. Okay? I'm kind of trying to make sense with you. No one wants to piss you off. No one wants you to get even with us. No one wants to have a big issue. But just ride your bikes on the edge and take it easy, and don't ride across the guy's field. Fair enough? I mean, you seem to be okay.
I can't, man. What? What? I'm just trying to start mine.
Guys, you know this is private property. Take off your... Let me see your face.
No, I'm not taking off my helmet. It's hard to get back on.
Okay. Do you know this is private property?
No, we just followed the trail.
No, there is no trail.
Yeah, there's...
There is no trail!
Okay, it looks like this.
Where are you living?
I don't live up here.
Where do you live? So why do you come here?
We just followed
This
the...
is private property.
We just followed the trail.
No, there is no... I heard you yesterday. Look what you've done.
Well, that was...
Did you see what you've done?
There's holes in trees down from us. We didn't cut this down.
Kisa!
We didn't cut this down. I didn't mean to. We just followed the trail.
You
I didn't...
cut the trees, no.
No, we didn't.
But
Yeah.
look the trail you did.
We just followed the trail.
Kisa! Down here? By the horse fence?
Oh yeah. I'll call my friend who lives
No,
up here.
no.
I'm gonna get off.
No, you, go.
Okay, I'm gonna lean it up against the tree.
I'm holding.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go put it up against the tree.
No. You're staying here.
Because I can't let it tip over.
You're staying here. Kisa!
Same guys?
No, different guys.
What the fuck you do?
I didn't know it was private property. I'm sorry, we'll leave.
What do you mean you don't know?
What do you mean? You don't
You
know?
came yesterday?
I didn't come yesterday.
No, you were here
You
yesterday,
were
guys.
here yesterday?
I
We heard you.
I took my
I wasn't
gun.
here.
I just didn't catch you.
So next time,
I'm sorry. We
you
won't.
are here.
And I'm using this place as a range. If I kill you, I don't want to be in jail. But I can kill you. Do you understand that?
Well, yeah,
Yeah.
but you can't kill us. But yeah.
No, we can't kill you
but
because this
it's
is
not
our
on
property.
purpose.
Okay, yeah, but
Yeah, but
it's not the
He
U.S.
is using this as a range, shooting range. Do you
Okay.
understand what we're talking
Yeah,
about?
okay, but
He can just target to the tree. He can miss it. He can.
okay, yeah. If it's an
Yeah.
accident, that's one thing.
So
I didn't.
guys,
We didn't.
This is it. You never come here again.
Okay.
okay.
This is everywhere private property.
I don't live. We just followed from the air.
Oh, you just do it like that?
No, do you know the airstrip, the long gravel path? Yeah, we just followed.
Seventh concession. This is our street.
We just followed that and it came here. I didn't know this was private property. I'm sorry.
Use the rail either. It says no motorized vehicle.
No, there's a lot of ATV guys there that go there. It's like it's open.
It says right there.
It says on the sign. It says on the sign.
Yeah, but they're fine with us going there. They're fine with us going there. We asked them. Here, I'll call my friend. I'll call my friend. I'll call him.
Friend, no, who?
I'll call him. He lives up here. We don't live up here. That's why.
Okay, what
Oh, you cannot call
what's his
from here.
address?
I don't know what his address is. I'll call him though. We just followed the trail. I didn't think it was. If it's private property, it's private property. Well, I'm sorry. We'll leave. I didn't know. Well, this is the first time I've been told, so I'm just saying. I didn't know, so we'll leave now. We won't come back. I didn't know, so.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Okay, yeah, but we didn't see a sign. I'm sorry. We'll leave. But
What do you mean you don't see the sign? Everywhere here, it's a private property.
okay, but we didn't know that because we followed the trail. That's the only thing. We'll leave though. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not trying to say. Yeah. We'll just leave the way we came. Yeah, we'll leave the way we came. I'm sorry, I didn't think it was private property. I just thought it was a trail. Pardon? Yeah, we won't. Funny, man. Yeah, I will. The girl was freaking the today.
Dude, the guy was just so chill.
I told the guy, I'm like, man, we didn't know that it's private property, so how the are we supposed to not come here if we don't know? We followed the trail, and he's like, yeah, okay, just leave. The girl's a psycho. Man, if I could get my bike started, we would have been gone.